Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've linked this pool robot below at a great price, so check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're checking out the Beatbot Sora 10 pool vacuum robot in royal blue, and this thing genuinely cleans your entire pool without you having to lift a finger. Over 500 people bought this in just the last month. Let's start with suction power. This pulls in leaves, sand, and debris at 6,800 gallons per hour, and it's designed not to clog while doing it, so you get consistent, smooth cleaning the whole time it's running. Battery life here is really impressive too. It runs for up to 300 minutes on a single charge, which is enough to clean pools as large as 3,229 square feet in one session. So you're not stopping halfway through to recharge or manually restart it. What really stands out is how thoroughly it cleans. This handles floors, walls, and the waterline, and it can even get into shallow areas as low as 12 inches, so tanning ledges and sun shelves get cleaned automatically too, no manual touch-ups needed. It's also genuinely easy to handle. The weight is balanced really well, so lifting it out of the pool doesn't feel like a struggle. And once it's done cleaning, it automatically parks itself right at the waterline and stays there for 10 minutes, so you can just grab it without reaching deep into the pool. The debris basket is large too, holding up to 650 leaves, so you're not emptying it constantly. And you can control the whole thing through an app using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, with updates that keep improving performance over time. It's also fully safe for saltwater pools and resistant to corrosion, and it's backed by a 2-year warranty, so you're covered long-term. Overall, if you want a pool robot that cleans everything, floors, walls, and the waterline, while running for hours without needing attention, the Beatbot Sora 10 is a genuinely strong pick. I'll leave the link to this Beatbot Sora 10 in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.